Hello friends, welcome back. This is TCS Digital Elevate Wing 1 preparation video, and this video will be dedicated to coding section. This will be part 2 for coding section and part 1 is already uploaded on this channel. You can check the playlist TCS Digital. And the solution of this program will be available in top 4 preferred languages. So let us move to the problem. Problem statement. Hobo's drawing teacher asks his class to open their book to a page number. Hobo can either start turning pages from the front of the book or from the back of the book. He always turns pages one at a time. When he opens the book, page 1 is always on the right side. When he flips page 1, he sees page 2 and page 3. Each page except the last page will always be printed on both sides. The last page may only be printed on the front side. Given the length of the book, if the book is n pages long and he want to turn to page P, what is the minimum number of pages he will turn? He can start at the beginning or the end of the book. Given n and p, find and print the minimum number of pages Hobo must turn in order to arrive at the page P. Function description. Complete the count page function in the editor below. It should return the minimum number of pages Hobo must turn. Count page has the following parameters: n, number of pages in the book; p, number of pages to turn to. Input format. The first line contains an integer n, the number of pages in the book. The second line contains an integer p, the page that Hobo's teacher wants her to turn to. Output format. Print an integer denoting the minimum number of pages Hobo must turn to get to page P. Sample input. Let us assume 6 is the number of pages in the book and 2 is the page number Hobo's teacher wants him to turn to. Then output will be 1 because he just need one page to turn to reach to page second. Now solution in Java language. So here is the solution in Java language, and this is very basic, and all the thing that you should take care in this program is this logic. Math.min and in bracket p by 2 comma n by 2 minus p by 2. The main context of this program is just the logic which is used in this program. And now see the solution in Python language, and here is the solution in Python language, and have a look. And we have used the same logic in this program also, and all the remaining part is just the syntax for Python language. And now let us see the solution in C++ language, and here is the solution. You can pause the video and can understand properly by having a pause here. And now finally solution in C language, and this is very basic format and very simple, and logic is still the same. However, format is basically different. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe TCS India channel, and link to follow us on Instagram is given in description. Please follow us on Instagram too.